Hey everybody, we got something different today. I bought this, which is a Hummel music box, but the music box is not playing that well. So the only way that I could figure that you could take this thing apart is that this housing was glued down to this wood, and I almost got it taken apart. And there we go. And so what I'm going to do is clean up this music box and then give this to a friend of mine for Christmas. So it's running kind of slow, and I think that by cleaning it up, it'll work faster. Might just need a drop of oil, but anyway, we're going to take the box out. I always like using a towel. There's a couple of screws in here to take this thing out with. Unfortunately, the rope is tied on, so I'm going to have to cut some of this rope off in order to get it all the way out, or untie it, but I doubt if I'll be able to untie it. It should be dragging like that. And once I get this thing out of here, I might be able to determine why it's dragging. But I'm hoping that I could shove it in my ultrasonic cleaner and put some oil to it, and it plays better. The spring is spring driven. Spring could be worn out, but I don't think it is. Again, that's why I like these tools. This hemostat. But I'm going to put it under some magnifying glass. I don't know if you can see it, but the teeth, the pinion gears that are right here, they're extremely dirty. So with a toothpick, I'm going to clean those up along with these pinion gears, because that's where the dirt normally build up. And it's easier to take the governor assembly out. There's only one screw to clean it up. And believe it or not, these were designed to where you can just pull them right out of the governor. They got these little slots in them, so you could pull them right out and put them right back. Unlike cuckoo clocks, to where you have to bend everything to get things out. It's a really good design. However, it's plastic. This rope assembly unscrews so you can put a couple dabs of oil where the spring is. And as you can see with me having the drum out, when I pull on the string, it only goes up part way. So I'm going to have to, I think, rewind the string. After rewinding the string, now when I pull on the string, it goes all the way up. So time to put the drum back in. The drum has got a tab on it, a piece here. It goes in that hole right there. And then this piece goes down in here. And that screw, once I get it lined up and push it all the way through, not for my big hands, and that's why I was using those tools. I'll loosen the screw some more. And then you tighten up the screw to hold that piece in. Now, of course, I don't have the governor on. I just want to see if that happens. Now I have to find the end of the music, which is, I'm assuming, right here. So now I have to take the drum out and put this section right here at the underneath this comb. That way it starts the music where it's supposed to. And I wanted to show you how I got that piece out. You loosen up the screw, you push the drum down, that piece starts to come out, and then you take a pair of pliers and pull it the rest of the way out. And I guess it doesn't matter with the drum, with these things, because the drum rotates several times. And I'm going to show you, 1 second. Now I put this permanent marker dot right here. So we'll pull the string. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and part way. So I would have to sit here and tie another knot. I'm not going to do it. Music plays. That's the only thing I care about. This governor was extremely easy to put in. There's a tab that goes into that hole. And once you got that hole, the tab in the hole, you put that screw in. The music is playing like it's supposed to. There's no adjustments on that governor. So, I don't know why they, it's made in Switzerland. Right here. Swiss music movement. Why couldn't they develop cuckoo clocks with at least the governor that you just slide right in there? You know how many times I've worked on putting a governor in a cuckoo clock because you have to have it just right, or the music drum don't turn. So it just goes to show you that things are made differently. So now all I have to do is glue this back on to. We'll clean this up first, and then glue this back on, and then stick in a box and give it to my friend for Christmas. I hope y'all like this video. May God bless each and every one of you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it's free to do so.